Congratulations! You have won my contest. Welcome to my home. As you know, Mr. Kane, I can now grant you any prize you desire.
You just don't know! You don't know what it was like for me! And you! And this! And them! You just don't know!
Look, I'm a little confused. You do not understand that I could give you fame, money, even power, and yet you ask me for this? A paper bag. You can't be serious.
Give me that! Give me! Go! Go! Just on the streets! You said it would be easy! Do you know what they did to you? And now it's my turn! It's my world! It's my word! It's my game!